Alright, welcome guys to another Blender live stream. Not Blender live stream, a Visual Studio Code live stream. We're finally making this a series on this channel. Because today we're going to be working on my webpage for the vanilla log. So if you guys are not aware, I've started a live stream like I think 4 days ago, wherein I was just sort of testing out my teaching myself how to learn HTML and CSS. And we didn't really do anything with that much in the stream aside from probably just look at some NeoCity sites and and see what the fuck people are making with their websites. But I figured that today, and actually not today, more so like a few days ago, I sort of decided to finally apply what I've learned so far with HTML and CSS and make my own static website, and maybe make something that's similar to what these guys are making in NeoCities and stuff. So for the majority of the stream, we're going to be going to Visual Studio Code and finish what I would explain to be the homepage of my website, which is thevanillalog.com. So but before we do that, I think I should just I should at least make this stream like a tad bit more entertaining by just looking at some websites that other people have made, and sort of get some ideas from some of them, just to see what they are making. So I don't know if I want to go to NeoCities as yet, because I feel like I've already looked through all of these sites. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go down here. I've tested this out before. There's this search engine that you can find online called Wibby. It will just pretty much take you to a bunch of old internet sites that are pretty much compatible with very old computers, and most of it is mostly only made using HTML and CSS, so you won't really get that much fancy graphics or animation with it. But hopefully things may look good or charming, at least for the time that they were made. So expect a lot of GIFs or things not moving at all. So let's start off with so to use the site, by the way, if you wanna go to a random spot on the internet, you just press surprise me, and it will pretty much take you to wherever you wanna go to. So it's kind of like the I'm lucky button on Google, but in Wibby's part, this is gonna just take you to a web 1.0 or 2.0. A web 1.0 freaking site, if that's what you are, if that's what you're into. So let's just press this, shall we? And I guess we can also try to do a search in a little bit, but let's do this first. You asked for it. Yep, I asked for it. What is this? This feels like a lot some dark web shit that I just got into. Hacked sites, presented by www.2600.com. What the heck is this? Hacked sites from before 1998 are located in the old archives. Oh wait, 1999. Never mind. I don't think the internet existed before in the 1980s. What is this site? Is there like an about page here? Because I don't think that's really a practice in the old internet to explain what your site is about. I'm kind of scared with clicking on some of these. Alright, 2002. Wow, this is a really old site. It must be dead. It must be dead by now, considering that this is the copyright only extends up to 2002. Alright, now let's go back. I'm too scared with what the heck this site is about. Let's go one more time. Surprise me, please, and don't show me some illegal stuff. TechFamu. What's TechFamu? The TechFamu is a text-based virtual reality. It's a virtual space for educational technology, education, research, and life at TEFCA? School Psychology and Education, University of Geneva, Switzerland. Ooh. Wow, okay, we are now in a very smart site, an educational site. I guess it is being run by a college, I think, since it's a school of psychology here. I gotta say though, back in my college, I think the most active or participative group in the online forums of my college is usually the ones who are in the school of psychology. Mostly because they're sort of always doing some research, and they're always asking through the school email, yo, you should probably just you should participate in my study here. We're sort of asking you to rate your favorite waifu or something. That actually happened, by the way. I went through my school email and I saw this one person. I think he has to be in the school of psychology, and they were like, yo, can you please tell us about your favorite waifu so we can include them in our study. But yeah, that's a unique thing about the school of psychology. They're pretty nice people though, not gonna lie. They're just very extroverted. What is this? Should I click on some of these? Introductory manuals and how to connect. Manuals, how to connect to TechFamu. The short guide. The clear short guide in a single HTML page is here for people who don't wish to wait for all the documentation. Let us know if it is complete enough. In case of trouble, okay. Alright. Everything was located at, alright. I mean, this has to be like a public site, right? Or else they wouldn't be showing this much of their contact information here. God dang, I don't know. I don't even know what the site's about. Let's see. Moo Education at TechFa. Oh well. Okay, we went to another boring site here. Let's type something in Wilby and see if we can find something interesting, like say Blender. Will that send me anywhere? The Blender render benchmark? What is this? This is an old benchmark test for computers who want to run older versions of Blender. Because I know Blender has been here for a while, and of course I remember how bad the UI is. Hello Blender users and computer enthusiasts out there. I am very sad to announce the Blender render benchmark is closed for an indefinite time. Aw, I'm awfully sorry, but in my rare spare time I am not able to contain benchmark as necessary. The results will stay online as long as possible. If some of these is hold on, I can't move my head. Interested into the whole data, send me an email and I will transmit you all data. Exclusive email addresses and IP addresses, of course. Cheers, Jared. Thanks, Jared, for the notification that your site is currently down. Hello, this is non-official Blender render benchmark. This table should give you an overview of which CPU operating system works efficient with Blender. You can also test your machine. Download the test blend and start render. I wonder if this okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but behind my hat, I can't really move my hat right now. There's a link that says download Blender. Click here. Should I click on it? Let's see. Oh yeah, that just takes me to that's so weird, you know, just an old site linking you to a new site. And granted, I guess this is probably like an old link to an older version of the site, but maybe Firefox just sent me to the modern site because it definitely doesn't exist. So this pretty much be the alternative, maybe. But hey, that's nice. I don't want to do any. I don't open the test blend. It's probably some kind of monkey or something. But all right, that's good. A Blender online manual for version 1.5. Welcome to version 1.5 of the online Quick and Dirty Blender Manual. This document contains information and instructions to get you on your way with Blender. Wow. What's this here? Data blocks, the Blender data structure. I'm reading through the contents here, by the way. Blender official homepage. Does this still work? This might well take me to Blender, right? I guess it doesn't work. Alright. Although it doesn't seem like they're talking about the same Blender. I mean, there's the 3D view, there's adding objects, mesh editing, rendering. That sounds like some Blender terminology that I've heard of before. Oh well. Let's look at another site. Let's try to type in another search term that's more modern and see if old websites have a term for this. How about this term? What is this? Do you love as good as you lurk? Devastation. Why does this look like a porn site? But it says here it's updated. I see 2024, so I guess this is a recent static website that I'm getting into. Do you love as good as you lurk? Graveside Confessions. Does a blog need a front page? A requiem for an old web. Cancel culture on the personal web. Rise of the Dark Mistresses. Okay, this feels like a blog site. Does it have anything to say about anime? Wow. Dang, I'm seeing a lot of controversial stuff here. I think there's a reason why no one really talks about the old internet anymore. Maybe. The 6 Degrees of Kevin Bacon. Wow, what the heck is this? Well, it's good to see that a recent post has been made here. It's a blog near the front page. By clearing out the deadwood, which one may hope includes the pretty gawkers as well as the things they were gawking at, I freed up more time for reading and writing. This morning I came across a post by Manu? Who is Manu? In which he explains why he thinks a blog doesn't need a front page. The homepage is the most recent post, which means you don't have to figure out if I posted something new since the last time you visited. Wait, what did I say? The homepage is the most recent post. You have to figure out if something. Yeah. Alright, convince me on why I don't. Because I'm planning for this to be a homepage. To make a website homepage in my website. So this it's sort of weird to wander to a blog post that tells me no, don't do that. When Manu says his front page is perfect, he doesn't mean it in a conceited way, as though he considers himself to be God's gift to web design. He simply means that in his opinion, his front page covers all the bases as far as what the front page of a blog should do. Well, yes and no. The design seems to rely on the blog's RSS feed. What's... Okay. This might be a dumb question. What's an RSS feed? Is that like a... I've heard that term before, but is it like some kind of Reddit thread or something? I mean, I've seen people talk about it when watching a bunch of old internet videos on YouTube. I don't think I've ever encountered an RSS feed before. Design seems to rely on the blog's RSS feed as a table of contents for the site. I'm not seeing a clear way to go to Manu's previous post, nor any other post from the front page. To my way of thinking, a website should be self-contained. At a minimum, I'd like to see previous and next links at the bottom of every page. That would suffice for linear readers at least. I'm not a linear reader though. I'd like to skip around and click on links that grab my attention. I want I want random access to everything on the website. Again, subscribing to the site's feed can solve the problem, but I don't necessarily want to have a second app open when I'm surfing the web. Having the whole site available in one window or tab would be ideal. Okay. If I were a linear reader, I may get absorbed by your narrative and wish to follow your journey from the beginning, with the posts presented in reverse chronological order. I'd have to click previous repeatedly until I reach the first post before I could start reading the post in order. If you're a prolific blogger, that would take a while. Based on what I've read, I guess I guess the writer is in agreement on adding a front page to your site. Enable search engines this much. Whether a blog post should have timestamps, I think they should. Writers' attitude beliefs will change over the years. Something you wrote today may contradict something you wrote 5 years ago. You want to get a sense of where you were in your journey when you held this opinion. An exact date or elapsed type on the post itself. Yeah, I guess that's true. You do need to. So basically, this paragraph saying that you need to sort of put a date on your blog posts just to sort of see which opinions are recent, and which opinions are not, because you know I'm not gonna lie, I've said a lot of dumb shit in the past, and I think to at least put a date on when you said that thing could at least give you a defense on if you still hold the opinion or not. Plus, you know, people's opinion change, so having a site, having like a frame of reference on when you had that opinion could give you could sort of like how do I say this? Tell you that you probably have already changed your opinion if you've made like a post that reacts to those old posts of yours. Timestamps are critical if you're a technical writer. People will continue to stumble upon your posts years later. When the information present is long out of date, it's frustrating enough to find good technical information via web search. To read a long article only to discover in the comment section that the information no longer valid is discouraging. Oh my god, so many stuff. Amanda pointed out that he does in fact have a timestamp and link to his post archive. Every page. Alright, let me see. This has nothing to do. I'm not sure if this we're talking about front pages, more so whether or not you should put a date on your blog posts. Which I think you should. I think you should put a date if you are not into deleting blog posts on your own website. So yeah, I guess that's nothing to do with the VTuber though. Who's make a failure? Why is there? Okay, let me see. Latest 7. What is this? Latest 774 streams? Wow, someone is documenting shit. Why does this look so modern? I mean, it still looks bad, but it's alright. Oh, good to see that some people outside the Western world is using NeoCities. What is this? Fry's great? What is this? For us, we have said, music differs from all other arts by the fact that it is not a copy of the phenomenon, or more exactly of the will's inadequate objectivity, but directly a copy of the will itself, and therefore expresses the metaphysical to everything physical in the world, the thing itself to every phenomenon. Arthur Schopenhauer. I think I said his name right, and that's very deep, man. What the fuck? This is a list of of what's it there? Music? Okay, you pretty much just crossed all mystique you have with your personality by spelling music that way. It's the music I've listened to at the time and thought that was worth mentioning. Should I good or bad? Just worth mentioning. Note that the length of each music section doesn't necessarily represent the importance or even my favorite. Amane Kanata? Okay. Why is there I don't know I've God damn it, I can't go through this video without without going through some controversial figures. What the heck is why is this why is this a thing in your website? But let me see what his or her opinion is on this cover here. In this new cover, you can definitely feel her retrospective emotions from her voice. They sync with the lyrics. You should check the lyrics if you can't speak Japanese. Sound-wise, I prefer. Okay. Whoa. Really? wait. She made a cover, a second cover to something he already, a cover to something she already covered in his old account. That's thanks. She's really trying to grasp any last bit of any last bit of dignity from her past life, isn't she? Wow, there's a lot of stuff here. I see that she's a whole life fan, I think. Judging by the amount of times I'm seeing the angel here. Wow. Alright, and of course there's the I mean, I like this card, just listen to how she changed her. I think she the same level of okay. Alright, yeah, I mean, technically this name. I mean, she's not saying that the writer is not saying that she likes her songs. I mean, this is pretty much just things that she just stumbled into while looking for some music. But hey, from the aura that this website's giving me, I feel like this is more so like a music website, and not really much of a VTuber website. Although most of the artists here are technically VTubers, but maybe you can maybe just go listen to some gorillas, man, to see what other genres of music are out there. Anyway, let's go back to Wibby. Let's go for one more site, then we can move on to going through Visual Studio Code. What else can we search up here? Let's search up. No, since I've been playing a lot of Tetris, let's search up some games in Wibby. Blip Bloink, fun action puzzle games for iPhone and iPod Touch from Blip Fun Games for the kids in the family and the kid in you. I thought, I heard of iPod before, but I never know. What's an iPod? What's an iPod Touch? Is that like I mean, and I know an iPod plays music, but I didn't know it also plays games as well. That's an interesting thing to see. Wow, wait, what is that here? So let me just read your chat here. Know how to code? I mean, I just started learning HTML and CSS, so that's something I'm sort of at with coding. So I'm technically I know people say that HTML and CSS is not a real programming language, but it's a good start for beginners like me to learn how to program stuff. Hold on, man. Before I go through my web page, I just wanna look at some ideas of what my homepage should look like. By going through some old static websites, I'll find Wibby. What's Sailmaker? Game archives. Here you'll find Infamous, Myth, TFL, Dark Scenarios for both Mac and Windows. Plus lots of Tomb Raider saved games for the Mac with related links. I didn't know Tomb Raider is available on PC. It's the old one. That's awesome. I know how to code also. I know basic Python also, a simplified version of Java called processing. Oh, wow, that's nice. I haven't learned Java, but I am thinking of maybe learning JavaScript after I sort of get used to HTML and CSS. Because I heard it's pretty good for spazzazzing your your website and stuff by including some interactivity to it. But I'm not really familiar with Java. I am familiar with a little bit of Python though, because I sort of once tried to study how to make Blender add-ons, and Python is the main programming language for making add-ons in this 3D modeling software called Blender. So, but I haven't really retained any knowledge when it comes to any Python stuff. I know base Java is hard. Wow. I didn't even know that Java has different what's it called? Different iterations. I hope, but good luck, man. Good luck on your Java journey, and hope that you don't get stuck in tutorial hell, because I definitely was for like 2 years, because I was for the majority of my programming journey, I was sort of learning Python, just for the sake of it, not having any goal in mind when learning Python. I just thought that it was cool to learn a programming language. But I guess just a tip for a fellow beginner like me, it's probably, I think you just need to focus. You just need to have a goal in mind when it comes to learning how to code. Like I finally got out of tutorial hell, at least for the most part, for myself, because I just sort of figured that I can use coding to make websites and stuff. I was always stuck in tutorial hell, but when you feel the great feeling of making a simple program yourself, yeah, man, it's really good. Once I learned that I can use coding to make websites, and I have this idea for a website in my mind, I was like, yeah, I'll get in coding. And the good thing about having a goal in mind is that you can really apply what you learned. Like I finally, when learning how to use HTML and CSS, I learned how to apply adding music and videos to your site, and there's a way to sort of add music and videos to your website without having it be linked to a folder in your computer. Like you can just I know there's like a way for you to just upload your music to Discord and YouTube, and you can just copy and paste an embed link to that source, and put it in your HTML, and you'll just have you can host your music and videos on your site without having it be in your local storage or something, which is nice. I don't know what if I use the correct terminology there, but yeah, you can just put your videos / music to a external site like Discord or YouTube, and then you can just copy an embed link to your HTML document, and bam, it's there. Also, using AI was such a hard thing to break out of. Correction, using AI just to make the full project. I use AI if my code has errors. I have no idea how to fix. I actually don't know how AI is. I don't know how AI is useful in making code. Maybe it's good for maybe making code from scratch, or maybe correcting some errors. But I don't know. I haven't tried AI yet when making my website. I just did it all by hand. But hopefully it helps you, I guess. I guess in the field of coding, I guess AI is more so being used as like a programmer's Grammarly, just to fix some errors in the code. But other than that, I don't really use AI for anything else, maybe. Or I don't plan to use AI on anything else, especially in my art and stuff. I also make 3D art, by the way, on the side. It's just something this coding thing is just something I've stumbled into while looking through some old internet videos on YouTube. But anyways, I guess we're already done web surfing here. Let's go ahead and switch windows here. Let's see. I'll get rid of this Firefox window, and we're gonna place this. Sorry. Oh my god. Sorry guys. I just ate like bangus for breakfast today, and that was really good. Put some soy sauce in it and stuff. So good. And it's also, where is that other? Is it this one? Yep, there it is. All right. So now this is the part of the video where I'll pretty much just be typing a bunch of shit while updating my web page. I'm actually coding right now for my homework for my class while I'm watching you. Ooh, you're in a computer. Are you in a computer science degree or something? I pretty much just do this for fun, really. I'm more so a medical student. I'm studying dentistry in my college, and I'm pretty much just coding on the side. But hopefully I can probably maybe make this to make like maybe a dental program for in the future. Maybe this whole programming journey can help me maybe make a dental program for making dentures and stuff, or maybe just make like a business website for myself. But yeah, anyway, let's go through Visual Studio Code. I'm just going to hop into here, and I'm going to now show you guys what I've made so far offline. So where is it? So this is my index.html. I've as you can see, I pretty much have a bunch of images here that are linked to a private Discord that I'm not gonna show you guys because it's private. But let's open with live server, and shabang shabam, this is my website. So as you can see, I made a bunch of buttons here. It still doesn't link to any other website or any web page that I've created, because it's only this site that I've made. But I'm going for a NeoCities style type of website, where most of it's probably just going to be static stuff, aside from maybe the occasional GIF, as you can see here. And I'm pretty much gonna include on this web page some animations, some old animations I did. Also like a little biography about me. I'm also gonna make like a blog section here, as well as like a featured art section and some music I've made in the past. Hold on. Have you guys heard of my music before? Have you guys listened to my mixtape? I promise you this won't be cringe. I didn't sing on this. These are just like like soundtracks that I made for my time lapses I did on my YouTube channel. Hold on. I think it'd be cool if you could add a little portfolio somewhere on your website. Actually, I think my entire website is just a portfolio of myself, considering that it's just like a blog. I mean, I'm gonna include a blogging section here, but for now, I'm just going to like make a sort of a Newgrounds type of homepage that's just a bunch of highlights of my art, music, and animation. But anyway, if you guys want to hear what are the music that are in this section, I'm just gonna play you guys this. This I think I'll play you guys the last batch because it sort of has a playful tune to it. Oh, what the? It's not playing. What the frick? Let me see. Here we go. There we go. I think I'm gonna decrease the audio for this. Wow, the website's really cool. I know basically HTML and CSS getting there. JavaScript by getting there, I mean concept out loud, but that's something. Okay, so the website doesn't have any. The website is actually created just with HTML and CSS in mind. I didn't include any JavaScript on this yet, which means you can probably make this on your own if you know the other stuff I know, like Blender, Krita, and LMMS, which are the programs I use to make all the art, music, and animation I've made so far. Yeah, so I don't think I've made anything new on this that you can't find on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in what I've made so far, when it comes to my art or music, you can just go check out my YouTube channel down below the vanilla log, because I post all of my time lapses and music there. Although most of my music's in my second channel, I think, which is Ozpin, my Morgan Ozpin second channel. I think JavaScript is really for making like things work, such as button stuff like that. No, but I could be wrong. You can probably do that inside the HTML. Well, I looked at the way I made these buttons is through a bro code tutorial. So people say like Program Watch is the go-to guide to learn to code, but nada. It's bro code. Bro code is bro code is a Chad. I think I've mentioned this in my past stream, but bro code just bro code is just a Chad for posting just full-on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript tutorials in his YouTube channel for free. Granted, they're long, but they're very detailed enough and easy to understand that I pretty much learned HTML and CSS in under 2 hours, I think, which is really a Chad thing to do for someone like Bro Code, which is pretty nice. So anyway, enough talking. I wanna change some stuff here, starting with this this header here. What are your inspirations? My inspirations for what? Like my website, or like my all of my stuff in general. If you're thinking of websites, my inspiration for this is probably Newgrounds. Newgrounds as a website is really cool in my opinion, because in its own web page, in its own front page, I mean, it hosts a lot of art, music, and animation, and not to mention it also has this border to it that I really like, that makes it a really clean static website in general. If you have not seen what the Newgrounds page looks like, I suggest you go check it out. I really took a lot of inspiration from that from the Newgrounds homepage. Even up to the fact that there are also some links to different sections of the site on below a logo of their site. And by the way, this vanilla log, it also links to the to my homepage as well. Also, I think people have heard, but there's something called W3 Schools. That's all these things, a full tutorial reference for pretty much all the languages you would need. Ooh, I guess I'll check that out. I guess was that like some kind of some coding boot camp? I guess I'll check that out as well. But anyway, enough said. I wanna make my website now. But go ahead and keep on talking. I'll sometimes look in the chat while doing some Visual Studio Code stuff here. Anyway, let's go ahead. I want to change this featured animation section here, and give it like a black color to it. Let's go with, where is it? God damn it! Like the problem I have with not coding for a long time is that you'll forget where you place some divs in a long line of in a long page of code. But I know it's here somewhere. Where is it? Featured animation header. Okay. Featured animation header. Header. Here it is. I'll just change the color of this to blue. To black. Control S this. And there we go. I also forgot how to make the centered again. About me text. Text align center. Alright. Text align center. Kind of like that. And let's save this. There we go. I think I can also change maybe the font size to about let's say I started 40 px. No, that's not it. How about 50 px? Oh, I noticed that sort of bring my video down. Wait, let me do it one more time. 40. What? I was gonna delete this. Let's see if it's sort of affecting the overall look of it. Oh yeah, it's definitely like bringing this down. Alright. I think I'll Control Z this. 40 px. And not 50 px. It's really interesting to see new coder streaming. Most coding related streams I see are like these 30-year-old senior programmers making this awesome stuff with just 3 lines of code. What the heck? Yo, you gotta link me to one of those. What the frick? How does someone make cool stuff with just 3 lines of code? That's really interesting to wonder about. But anyway, I think I need to bring this video up, so I guess the animation is already okay. Wait, I just maybe need the margin bottom to maybe 0%. There we go. That changed everything. Okay. By the way, if you're wondering, this this site is probably only gonna look good if you are in a computer. Because if I were to say resize the window right now, it'll probably not resize at all. Which is why I'm able to like sort of scroll this way as well. Because I've disabled any chance of this website from sort of shrinking down to a more convenient size. So yeah, you guys have to maybe stick with this sort of layout for now. Anyway, I'm gonna open Discord now. Hey, thanks, man. Yeah, a lot of people. I think my art and my music is probably gonna be the one that's gonna carry the entire look of this site. Anyway, I'm gonna open Discord on my other screen here, and I'm just gonna upload some art because here over here we're gonna include some more featured arts over here, and I think I'm also gonna include like a blog section underneath the featured music section. So let's do that, shall we? What there's some art that I can post here? Because I think one thing I dislike when well, the one thing I sort of regret when making all of my Blender renders is that I never really made any PNGs of my renders. I usually make like short GIFs of it, which is not really something I'd want to have in my website. So let's go to. Oh, there's a PNG of my donut here. I can have that. Maybe I can have this here. Oh, that's not it. I do it here. I'm just gonna include this here. Hold on, guys. I know I'm not doing anything on my stream right now, but I'm just sort of gathering some renders I made in my other screen here. Anyway, hopefully your site also looks just as good as mine. I don't know how someone would get into making a good website if they don't have any art skills to their portfolio. Old works. Ooh, I have this answer thing here. Oh wait, no. Yeah, I can do it this one. Okay. So it looks really appealing. The colors, the art, the commissions page. What do you mean commissions page? I don't do any commissions. If you're asking if that's your question. I pretty much just do this for fun. Also, I don't know how to sort of monetize my content. I have this sort of worry that I might overcharge or undercharge my work or my art if I were to do this. But anyway, now we're gonna go down to the index. I want to create a new why is there space here? I'm gonna make another table row like that, and I'm just gonna copy a line of code here, just like that. Control V, and there we go. Source. I'm gonna make a double parenthesis there just to make sure it doesn't see alt as a text. I'm gonna draw blue lines on my eyes on the y-axis to show I'm crying. Well, I don't know what I don't know what you're talking about. Is that like a? That's I don't know what I don't know what's that. Anyway, I'm gonna just copy and paste this. Okay, and I'm just gonna copy link and paste this over to here. And this should probably give me another, yep, here we go, a donut. By the way, this is my actual first donut I've made in Blender. This is this I think this was part of a canceled video I did a while back when I tried to speedrun the Blender Guru's donut tutorial. which looking back at it, it doesn't look like, doesn't seem to be a good good video idea, because it's just me speedrunning the donut tutorial. Plus, how exactly does someone speedrun a donut tutorial? I mean, you can just pretty much just add a torus and call it a day, call that donut, a complete donut. Like there has to be like some kind of rules to in terms of the quality of the donut if you were to embark on a donut tutorial, in a Blender donut tutorial speedrun. I'd eat it. Really? It's not that appetizing. I think I still have trouble making a good bread texture, a good bread material from a donut. But anyway, going back to Discord, let me just paste another image here. Copy image, another copy image, copy link. And going back to Visual Studio Code, just do this and Control Save. There we go. This is another art of mine. I don't think I think this was made before I got into making Blender stuff on YouTube. This character on the bottom, on the middle bottom here. Which I think it's a good. It's just a fact of mine. Cause when I got into streaming myself doing Blender stuff, I was already into the toon shader aspect of making 3D models. But if you guys are gonna get into Blender, you probably have to first do a bunch of realistic renders, which are not hard, by the way. It's actually much harder, I would say, to make all the other stuff here on my website, like this robot, this tails, and this 3D model of Lilligant from Pokemon. Because you're going to be working with a lot of materials and shaders just to achieve this sort of look to your renders. The thing that stops most people from animating is that feeling of making it smooth when started animating. I would move something slightly each frame, which made it slow. You know, when I finally make this website, I don't think I'll include any what's it called, animations with my website, because I think there's a sort of charm with just having a website stand on its own as a static website, because I know it kind of reminds you of a very simpler time of the web, when it's just you and the people around it, where it's just you and a bunch of people who are just into making websites, rather than just like a bunch of these corporate conglomerates going into the web and pretty much taking over everything, like when it comes to YouTube, Google, Facebook, etc., etc. You guys know some social media sites like that. But yeah, let me just paste one more thing here. Copy link and paste. Control S. And there we go. Here's another artwork of mine. I think I made this right when I was about to, right when I was about to stream Blender stuff on my YouTube channel. This is actually an original character of mine. Her name is Jenny Amser, which is part of a character from a novel I didn't get to finish. I was into writing a lot of novels. No, a lot of Wattpad stories back in 2019, and this was when I made this when I completely canceled the whole writing project. I think she's a time traveler in my novel, but I didn't get to finish it because writing time travel as a basis for your novel is really hard. just sort of wrapping your head around what the heck are the rules of your time traveling machine. It sort of mushes your brain and stuff. Anyway, okay, so I guess that's all the art that I want to feature here done. Let's go ahead and bring this sorry. Let's bring this this text frame down. Let's go for the featured art section. Go to style.css and the height should be 600 pixels. What? Can we get it to say 700? Okay, that's extending it. Good. 800 or yeah, 800. All right, that's good. Yeah, that's good. All right, now we'll include another section over here. I used something called Webador to make my website before. I knew HTML and CSS and I regret it greatly. Is that website builder? Dang. So just a fun fact. This ain't my first time making a website. The first website I ever made was made using WordPress.org. So I kind of relate to your experience of using maybe a website builder for your website. My God. Trying to make a website using a website builder is really frustrating because you, for some reason you can never get the website builder to build what you want. Like I remember that it took me a while just to insert an image into my website when using website builder. Plus the margins. Oh my God, I when it comes to figuring out how the margins work in WordPress, it really is a shocking thing. A chore to get through to sort of adjust everything in a website builder. But anyway, I guess it's time for me now to create a blog section here on this side of the page. So let's go to here. This table is part of this table. Good. And this is, yeah. All right. Now I just need to make another div. Make another div here. And I'll call this the ID of featured ID of. Anyway, hold on. Let me just put this down. Give this an ID of. Can I give this an ID? Oh wait. Unnested code, my beloved. Oh no, it's not it. So ID. This is called. I'm gonna call this the featured blog section. And then I'm going to create a. I'm gonna save this. Copy this, and I'll go to my CSS style sheet. We got make a hashtag featured blog section here, and let's put on some curly braces, and we'll go ahead and create a height factor of maybe 600 pixels, and a width of 600 pixels. I see something called action Discord page.psp. What's that for? Because it seems you're making a get quest to it. What? Wait, where is it? I don't see it. Oh wait, shit. You're not seeing the same thing as I do. Wait. This ain't my website. My code. Oh, that one. Oh, that's I think that was okay. So just to explain, this is the HTML. This is the HTML file I use to learn how to code. I guess for some reason it's open right now, but so I think I'll just exit out of this. And we're gonna include instead this one. Sorry, I apologize, guys. I think you were staring at a blank at a blank window for the majority of that stream of my stream. But now that we're here, I'm gonna go save this. Why is there a? Oh, I forgot to add a semicolon. And there we go. Okay. I'm gonna get a background image here. Actually, I can just copy this settings here. Background position, cover. Yep, this could do. Control V. No wonder nothing was happening. Yeah, sorry, man. I thought I was doing something bad. Okay, where's this featured blog section? I'm not seeing it here. Is it? Wait, did I shrink the? Okay, wait. Where is my blog? Art style is recognizable. Your code also. Hey, thanks, man. I mean, it's CSS. It's a very easy site to. It's a very easy code to comprehend. To be fair, it's it's easy to sort of get this. Okay, so I think why is it not showing up? because it should show up here somewhere. Hold on, let me just delete all of this just to see if something changes. Okay, so I think let's control Z this. So my site is in, so my thing is here somewhere. It's just not showing up. Let me just see where this is. I'm just gonna create a different. So yeah, I'm just gonna call this block just to see where this is. Ah, there it is. It's over here. It's behind my featured art section. Okay. So now we just need to move it to the left, and yeah. Okay. So to do that, we first need to create a position. I hate using the position the position factor because I feel like I'm not learning anything by using the position factor, because it's not really good to use if you want to resize images, but since I'm going for a site that doesn't resize at all, I guess this should do for now. Granted, I did try to sort of solve this problem of resizing in my website, but I don't wanna. I got so confused in the process that I just gave up. Okay, so it's here now. Maybe absolute would be the best way forward. Okay, so with absolute, since this is under a parent of another div, it's at least moving around said div to an extent. So now, actually I don't think we need to make this. Let me just make this right, maybe? Right. Move this to the right. Or not. Wait. Okay, it's already there in the right. I just need to move it down by... You're using Notepad++ for Python? Hey, that's nice, man. I'm still only familiar with Visual Studio Code, but I heard bracket is probably a better option when it comes to HTML and CSS. Okay, so top. Let's make this 400 pixels, and let's see where this goes. Okay, moving down. Nice, 500. Not much. Okay, 1000. Oh, nice, we're almost there. Wait, let me see if this does anything if I resize it. Nope, it still stays the same. Good. Let's go for a little more. Give it 100 more pixels. No. How about this number? Yeah, that works. And let's just decrease the width by around say 200 pixels. No, 350. All right, this voltage sucks. By the way, I'm gonna publish this in NeoCities at some point. I just gotta work around. I just need to sort of figure out the kinks behind NeoCities because I know there's some rules in regards to what files it accepts and not accepts. But once I get that sorted out, I'll publish this into NeoCities somewhere. There we go. Right, nice. That's it. Okay, so now that's there. Featured art. I think. Wait, one more thing. I'm gonna fix my featured art section here in a little bit. Let's go to table, class art table. I had to make it a class. Oh well. Copy this. Control V. Call this dot art table. And semicolon. Curly brackets. And let's go ahead and change the color to black. Let's see, black. Is this good color scheme? Where's the background color? There we go. All right, nice. I don't like the look of it though, so I think I'll change this to a, because I feel like black is a safe color to get. I want some more pizzazz on my thing, so let's go for a dark red, maybe. Doesn't look that good. Quite good. Hey, bro code. Yeah, man, bro code to Chad, man. I really do recommend, if you want to get into code, just check out some bro code tutorials. I've linked to some of his tutorials in the description of this live stream. So if you want to go check out his HTML or CSS tutorial, you can go check him out. Hey, is it me or is the featured art section blinking? That's weird. But anyway, let's. Okay, you can stick with that. I'm also gonna decrease the length of this thing here. Where's my featured art section? Here it is. Change the length to around 700. I don't want that thing trailing underneath it. Okay, good. And also let's go down here. I'm gonna change the positioning of my blog section to around that much. That much is good. And going back to the HTML, I'm gonna also change the featured music section to have like a green background for its table. Here it is, table. I'm gonna call this ID equals music underscore table. Does it do any other tutorials? Bro code, you mean? I mean, he also does Python. I know he also does a JavaScript tutorial. He also does a tutorial on React, which people say is like a better version of JavaScript. So if you want to check that out, you can go check him out. I also did the Python, I think, Python tutorial. um, basically any popular programming language out there, he probably would have already covered it. Bro code, I mean. Okay. Just copy this. Control S. Okay, that's good. Wait, is it really blinking? Hold on. Apologize, guys, for that. No, it's just my freaking screen that's making me think that my tables are blinking red for some reason. But just to fix that, I think I'll change the look of music table. Give it like a soft green look to it. There we go. I don't like how it's sort of getting some colors from this video here. Okay. I'm gonna go to my featured music section, change the height of it to let's say 270. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, that's good. All right. And we can also move the blog section a little forward. Let's go for 390. So no, top is 1000. There we go. All right, that's good. Have you ever heard of Blitz 3D? Is that a Blender YouTuber? Hold on, let me search him up. I think I've heard of that guy before. Just the name's not really clicking with me. Blitz 3D. Oh, it's a game development program. No, I haven't heard of this. I sadly I've never got into video game coding before. Because I don't have any ideas for making any games in mind. So yeah. I haven't heard of Blitz 3D before, but I hope I think it's popular. Yeah. It's a game. Oh, a game engine. Kind of like Unity. All right. I tried getting into game development before. I've learned a bunch of Unity tutorials and a bunch of Godot tutorials as well. I also learned coding from that. And aside from the fact that I don't know I don't have any game ideas in mind. I also had a difficult time figuring out how to code in C# or GD script because it's like a very alien idea to me. The idea of like of making making like a 3D model or a 2D illustration, adding code to it to give it some functionality. But anyway, well, just give it an H1 tag. C# scares me. Yeah, me too, man. It's I don't. Maybe it's because I don't have an idea of how a script, because I guess the concept of adding a script to a game project feels like an alien idea to me, because I don't know how that works in general. I know it adds action to your project, but I don't know how it works technically. Sorry guys, I just have a stuffy nose right now. Okay. Let's call this the recent blog post. There we go. Give this a ID of blog post header. Okay. And I'm also gonna include this over here under. It's similar to base Java. That comparison, I don't know if I can make the comparison because I don't really know anything about Java either. And you gotta know that this is coming from, these opinions are coming from me, a person who has no background in coding aside from some basic HTML and CSS stuff I've learned off from bro code and stuff. Okay. Alright, recent blog post. What can we include here? We can create a. You can just maybe make a quick blog post here while we're at it, and also add an ID to this. Call this blog posts or featured underscore blog underscore post. All right, what can you write about? Today I made my first site. Actually, wait, I need to. No. I need to make first a paragraph here. My first ever language ActionScript. ActionScript 6 years ago when I was making Flash games. Wow, that takes me way back, man. What the heck? Flash games. I actually used to do a bunch of Flash game reviews on this channel. And I remembered some Flash games I reviewed were Riddle School, made by this guy I don't want to talk about right now. Riddle School, Beacon's Mango Quest, just like a bunch of stuff I found on y8.com. And my god, that takes me way back. Like I can always remember. I can always distinguish the Flash game art style, because it never really consists of things that looks like it should be in a game. It feels more like as if they painted it by ink and pen, all the assets, and somehow they were able to make a game out of it and stuff. Anyway, let's make this recent blog post be 408. Wait, no, let's maybe make it August 8th, 2024. There we go. Save this. Alright. Today I made my first site, my first web page for my site. I did a live stream. No. I learned a few coding languages while while during the summer, and I figured I should use it to make a site. Hopefully I can publish this under NeoCities, and make sure that everything from the videos to the images to the music gets released without any errors in my site. Control S. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead. Maybe make a what can I use for Adobe Animate, my beloved? Do you still use Adobe? Because I heard that things are not really doing good for the company itself, because I heard that it's sort of going through a controversy wherein they're not letting people out because they were pretty much doing these heinous things, their users, by adding a cancellation fee to the users who wants to get out of Adobe and switch to something like Affinity Photo. blog_date. That's the reason I no, yeah, don't say you pirate in front of this live stream because it gets public. Say you borrowed it. Say you borrowed it from someone. You know. I'm not saying that you should pirate a software, but a lot of people are saying that you should pirate this software. So, just to sort of defend the people who are against piracy, you can just try to see what they're into, and yeah, he borrowed it, and just download this this little file that they're passing around. Download it and tell everyone, hey, don't download this specific file via this link down below to get something like Adobe or something. And that's what you should do. And maybe some people will not use that pirated software. Just be sure to leave a link down below just to notify people that, hey, you should not download this at all. Not at all. Anyway. Let's just go text align center. Also need to create another class here. Blog date. And let's change the background color to sorry. I'm burping so much right now. What the heck? Are there any good colors here I can use? Let's say start with an RGB. Or maybe let's start with a blue. It's not doing anything. What the heck? Oh, it's an ID, not a class. That reminds me of those videos of like parents trying to tell other parents or of sites that they should block from their kids. Oh, or like those sort of those drug PSAs that tell kids, yo, you should not smoke this joint over here. Not knowing that they're probably making the situation worse by telling kids of the existence of these said narcotics and stuff. Okay, so this is here now. What can I add to this? Actually, no, I should change probably the color of this. There it is. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Let's not go for anything too fancy, guys. Let's keep things simple. I would like my site to, you know, since we're posting this in new cities, I want to make the site. I want it so that there's really nothing distinguishing this. There's nothing really that I want the site to have like the Neo Cities look to it. So we gotta keep things simple. Because I feel like this is already a little bit too complicated for Neo Cities to handle. Okay. So now that it's there, let's put this here. Featured blog post. Featured blog post. Give this background color as well, like that. And I think I'll give this a font family of sans serif. Yeah, I know I can go for maybe a more creative font, but I want to make sure that these fonts are at least compatible with any web browser I have in mind. And keep it sans serif. I know sans serif is probably like the most universally known font family. Hence why we're sticking with this. And there we go, semicolon that. Okay. just saw this video on my For You page called An Eventful Day in the Life of a Google Software Engineer. I watched one video of a software engineer day in life, and now I'm seeing a bunch of these. Wow. How does I haven't watched that video yet. Is that how is it like working for Google? Based on the video, man. Is it fun? Cause my only idea of what's like to work in Google is from a movie called The Internship, starring Owen Wilson and this other guy I can't remember. I know that Google has like a big slide to it, and for their newest recruits, they call themselves Googlers, and they wear these funny hats that have like a a propeller on top of it, that they sort of use to sort of increase team leadership skills or something. I'm not sure, but I'm guessing it's not like that in real life. But that's how people portray what's like working in Google. Anyway, I think I'll keep the length of this site here. Google lays people off from what I've heard. What? They lay people off? Really now? I didn't know that. Like I thought they're well-off companies, and seeing that they are part of the FANG group of companies, you know, the tech companies that that are doing well today, which is I forgot what Facebook. It's the Facebook, Apple, Netflix, Amazon, and Google group. That's what FANG stands for. But yeah, I didn't know they were laying people off. Are they having like a financial issue or something? Anyway, need to now shrink the recent blog post section to I think 500. Maybe 550. Okay. Good. All right. So now that we got that fixed, it's now time to add a what would I consider to be a social media section here with a bunch of buttons. So I'm gonna just open another window here. What can I make this? I guess I'm gonna make this in Google. No, I'll make it in Krita. Yeah, I'll go for Krita. Alright guys, it's not already a Krita. This is now a Krita stream now. Because right now we're going to make a bunch of buttons for my website. Scratch scares you. I'm talking about the Scratch that that beginners use to learn how to code. I tried getting into Scratch, and one thing I can say about Scratch is it feels like it's made for babies. And granted, it sort of gives you an idea of what's like to code to people who don't know the concept of coding. But you know, like once you understand what coding is all about, I don't really see the use of Scratch as a program. I just pretty much hopped into coding without ever using Scratch at all. Anyway, I'm just gonna switch you guys to another tab here, because right now we're going to make a a button for my site. Let me just make a new window capture. Call this Krita. Okay. And I'm just gonna move this down to this folder in my OBS. Like that. There we go. Create a reel. And I think I'll just hide this section of my live stream for now. You can still see Visual Studio Code on the other side up there. Hold on, let me just hide that side as well. Okay, there we go. Now we just need to focus on making some buttons. I ain't gonna go too hard on these buttons. I just want to make a customized YouTube logo, a Twitter logo starring the bird, because I hate I hate the logo that X is promoting right now, and I guess a Newgrounds logo as well. Vanilla Log, yeah, the Vanilla Log website. Let's see. New image. Give me. All right, now we need to maybe make this a square. So, let's stick with a small texture. No. I'll maybe make it 4096 pixels. Let's see. Okay, so I want this now to zoom in a bit. I'm gonna plop in my what's it called? My pen. Set this to mirror. Also mirror this, I guess. And I'm just gonna change the background here to red, because YouTube's background is also red. Let me just try to estimate what the YouTube red is like. I mean, this one's red. Good. Okay. And let's go make a little bit of an outline. Okay. Let me get this red here, and I'm just gonna make it darker. Hey, for you guys who are just jumping into stream, I'm just making a logo for my website. Kind of like this, like this. Like that. Explode for not end at 431. That's a long time to that's a long explosion if you're saying if you say your explosion will last for 31 seconds for 31 minutes, I mean. Okay. And also let's add switch this to black and white. Get rid of all of this. And let's just make a customized YouTube logo. Kind of like that. Okay. I think I need to make the triangle bigger. Yeah, that would work. Okay. Alright. Just a simple button for myself. I'm gonna export this, place it under I'll place it under my assets page, assets folder somewhere. Where is it? Where are my assets? Oh, here it is. Okay. YT websites logo. Okay. There we go. Let's make a new background here. We'll go for a light blue one now. Maybe a little bit blue like that. I'm gonna paint this all a blue like that. Do this, and let's make this dark, kind of like that. And let's try to paint from imagination the bird of Twitter. Kind of like this, right? And then, oop. Yeah, there we go. This logo has much more personality compared to whatever the frick X was. All right, here we go. Call this the Twitter logo. Yeah, sure. And we'll also make another logo here. Just quickly make a Newgrounds logo, which I think is the most complicated one. Which I won't complain. The Newgrounds logo is really good. The whole tank guy and stuff. I think we'll start off with an orange look to it. I know it's like a very bright or maybe yellowish. Yeah, this looks like a tank, a Newgrounds color. Like this. Goodbye. Keep working. Hey, thanks, man. Oh, wait, did I show you? Did you see my site? It's where is it? It looks like this one right now. Look at that. So many good stuff. The vanilla log. I feel like I'm so proud with how this this tab part of the of the site looks already. And it's just this. I think it just sort of starts getting a little bit more simpler as you scroll down, which is looks bad. But hopefully I can include some more, make some more pizzazz when we make the art, music, blog sections of this channel. As for the social tab here, I think I'm just gonna have this go down towards this part of the web page. Because this is where I'll be including all of my social links, like my YouTube, my Twitter, and my Newgrounds page. So let's just do that. Okay. Now I just need to. Oh, I guess I'm not seeing what I'm doing in my credit page. There we go. Okay, now let's paint. Okay, now how do I how do I create a tank? A tank guy. Let's maybe make the I don't want to go too hard on these logos because it's pretty much just logos. I think what I'll do. I don't want to use reference because I want to see what I can do with just trying to memorize the tank by memory. Okay, I know it's like this, right? So this is the wheel. Like that. Yeah. Then some more stuff here. And then it goes up like this, right? Hey, back. I'm currently trying to make the Newgrounds logo by memory. So just to sort of give it some style to it. Okay. So right now I'm trying to make the logo for my social media links. The buttons, I mean. The buttons for my social media links. And we're gonna include Tank Guy as one of them because I do have a Newgrounds account somewhere. Okay. Okay. Then I think we can now create Tank Guy, which is just, I think, a square blob. Kind of like that. And then I don't know if he had a I'll keep it like that for now. I'll create the outline next. I know he has like a little bit of some padding on his. Wait, I think it's like this, then. Like that, I think. That's his helmet. Then. I know there's like I think a few like that. Okay. It's coming together. Wow. Okay. So this is here. Now I need to make like an extension here somewhere. Think. Do this. Do this. Yeah, let me just see how this looks. Alright, then and icon like that. Okay, so I'll just erase this section of his tank. And I'm just gonna make a simple outline. Hold on, let me just rotate this. Okay. Shrink this down quite a bit. Okay. Then add a I think I need to, yeah, there we go. And like that. And also kind of like this. I think does this look right? That looks like a Newgrounds guy, right? It looks like a tank guy, right? from Newgrounds. Okay, I'll just paint this white. I can always change this while I try to update my site offline. But for now, this is looking like tank guy. Actually, wait, I think he has a bigger mask underneath, yeah. Then do this, and then this, then E. There we go. Simple stuff. Wait, I think this way could be good. Oh my god, that looks nice, right? And I'll just resize it a little bit just to make sure it fills the entire space. There we go. And let's go to T. There we go. I'm gonna export this as a Newgrounds logo. Wait, did I use the same? Did I use the right? Newgrounds, yeah, just the Newgrounds logo. Okay, let me just save this one more time over here. Okay, and then this. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to Visual Studio Code for you guys. Here it is. But for me, I'm gonna go to Discord real quick. I'm going to upload them here on my private server. Go to videos. Videos. What did I know? Videos, thumbnails. YT phone, not YT thumbnails. It's under this other folder here. This and this. Publish it here. Okay. So now I need to make a button on the Visual Studio Code over here, and this should be under div ID equals social underscore media section, and I didn't place it in the right spot once again. Control C, Control V. Okay, there we go. Place this down here. And let me just write social media here. All right, where is this at? I guess it's down here somewhere. But I'm not seeing it. Where is it? Okay. Hashtag social media section. Just want to see, where's this? Is that it over there? Oh, it is. Okay. All right, so I need to just pull it down using position absolute. Position absolute. absolutes, then put down top 1000 pixels. Oh yeah, it's going down. Okay. Okay, now it's there. 1.5. This will not be right. Oh, it is. Okay. Then right or left? 500. Nope. 800. Okay. 700. Nope. Nada. 750. Nope. 720. Alright, that's perfectly reasonable. 450 for the top. Keep it close. Nope. 475. 460. Okay, I can do with that. Background color. No, it's just let's just copy. Let's copy this these positions here as well. Control C, Control V. There we go. Now we need to make a button. So go back here. I know I made a button here somewhere. There it is. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this link. Oh. Control C. Under social media. Control V. Okay, I'll just make this an H1 tag. Okay. Okay. I'll get rid of this ID here. And what is web page button linked to? Web page button. 247? No. Okay. I'm gonna change this. Social underscore media underscore. Okay, social media web page buttons. I'm gonna copy this. Control C. Control V. I'm just gonna get rid of this pictures.art.png. And I'm just going to include instead this one. Copy link. Control V. Okay. Alright, there we go. Nice, okay. So the social media webpage button should have a is it class? Yeah, it's a class, okay. Curly braces. Let's change the width of it to 50. Height 50 pixels. Add some semicolons. Nice, okay. Social media section, I think I'll also change the width of it to 300 pixels. Where is it? Oh. What the? Control C. Control V. Where the heck is it now? Hello? I also need to indicate a height. Ah, there we go. Okay. And can maybe double it? Yeah, that's good. And also change the height to maybe around 100. Go get this out of here. All right. 150. I think I will have these float left. Alright, let's make an ID. Or maybe a class, I think. Class equals social media. Social media header. Control C. Social media buttons. Social media. Dot social media header. Float left. Okay. And it's not floating left. Why is it not floating left? It should sort of go here now. Imbecile. Oh, yeah. Ah, there we go. Oh, but it's not a line, frick. Maybe if I make it float. I mean, have it float right. Or you can just make a margin. Yeah, I'll make a margin in the social media button. Margin top of 20 pixels. Oh, wait, it's not. Wrong class. Okay, 10 pixels. All right, that's good. I think instead I'll just make it float right. Maybe can I make it float right? Okay. Wait. Web page, background position, center. No repeat, background size, cover. Oh wait, what am I doing? Why am I making a button out of this? You can just make it a... hold on. Instead of a button, you can just maybe include... Get rid of all this. A ref. I'll just quickly go to my YouTube channel, guys. Vanilla log. Copy this link. Paste it here. And I'll just make this an image. And the source is... Oh, by the way, thank you guys for 943 subscribers. All right. That's real. That's just a shocking news for me. We can have this be placed. Oh, yeah, my image source. Okay. Copy link. Control V. Control S. Okay. And the web page class should be oh my god, come on. C, Control V. Right, Control S. There we go. Now if I... Oh wait, no. How do I, It's gonna take me to YouTube, but it's gonna make me go to another window. I mean, me go to the same window. What I'll do instead is maybe... I forgot this, the function again. Is it slash blank? Hold on. I'm gonna create a new... I'm gonna open a file first. And I'm gonna open recent here. Desktop website. There we go. I forgot. What was that? Where's the HTML that helps me? Help me make this in the first place. Okay. I'm looking for a code here that lets me... target. Okay. Let's copy this. So this line of text here is useful because I can just go here, include a target of blank. Now if I save this, open with live server. Okay, and I click this. Yes, there we go. And now it takes me to a different site. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now we just need to do this a couple more times. So I'm just gonna copy this, Control C, Control V. I'm gonna delete all of this. And also this part. Okay. And I'm just gonna copy this, Control C, Control V. And I just need to find a link to my Twitter. X. God, that name is still so stupid for me. I don't. I'm starting to get used to calling it Twitter, calling X, and I don't know if that's okay for me. All right. Let's do this. Control C. Control V. And the alt for this is this Twitter thing I made. Copy link. And paste. There we go. Let's see, Control S. Nice. All right. Now we just need to make another file here that will link me to my Newgrounds account. Newgrounds. The vanilla log. Here we go. By the way, if you guys are not aware, I have a Newgrounds account wherein I also post stuff, my art, music, and stuff. Mostly music as of recently, because I haven't really been updating my art or animation catalog in a while. But if you are interested, go follow me on Newgrounds. Okay, so this one's there. And just need to copy the other file here. Copy link. Where is it? Here it is. Control V, Control S. Nice. Okay, there we go. And let me just make this these buttons bigger. How about 100 pixels? Yeah, looks good. Did I do a highlight again? Hold on. Let me just change some stuff here. By adding some much needed highlights in some of this. I'm gonna go back to my other website I used for studying HTML. Okay. Need to know what's the... How do I change the font? The font of my thing. Oh, this is the form. For forms, this is for stuff. Mark. Oh, mark. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna mark some stuff here. Although I don't think it's... I'll just do it. And then log websites. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Alright, first off, I'm gonna mark this featured animation section. So, where is it? Animation header, okay. Mark. I guess I can't do that. I can maybe instead change the background color. Yeah, I'll just change the background color instead. Featured animation header. Background color yellow. Oh, I need to turn on the live server again. That's... I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Yeah, no. Oh, no, please. Let me try to do it maybe manually instead. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. Mark. Control C, Control V. Well, that didn't change anything. Maybe if I change the margin. There we go. Okay. Featured animation. I'm going for a very crude look to my thing, so what I'll do now is do the same for the rest of these headers. So featured music should also have a where is it? Featured music. Okay. Mark. C, Control V. All right. C, Control V. There we go. And then a recent blog post would also be where is it? Featured blog post ID, blog post header, recent blog post. Yeah, here it is. Control V, Control C, Control V. Okay. And of course the social media. The social media section should also have a oh, it's not it. Mark. Then slash Mark. Oh, wait, never mind, it's done. I think I also changed the margin for these web page buttons. Margin 10 pixels. Margin right 10 pixels. And all right, there we go. Ooh, look at this. Okay, so now we just need to maybe I'll change the body as well. Margin bottom of around maybe 50 pixels. And the index, I mean the social media section should have a height of 100. Or 150. 120. Okay. Well, there we go. I don't know what else to add here. Can also, how do I add a margin to this? I want like a little space underneath. I can maybe just create another blank. I'll make a blank div and see where that leads me to. Okay. Blank. I'll call this course ID equals bottom underscore space. Hashtag bottom underscore space height 300 pixels. Height and a width of 2 no, where is it though? I'm not seeing it. Is it that one there? Well, let me just put this on the screen to see how this looks. No, that's not it. Where is my blank space? Maybe I change the background color to black. Oh, what's this error here? Line 219, column 1. Oh, 300 pixels. Then slash, there we go. I'm not seeing it. Oh, here it is. Oh, but now the thing is fixed. Why is it fixed? Maybe I'll just change the... Let's get rid of this color. There we go. Now it's a space in the underneath for stuff. Nice. Okay. I guess that's it now, guys. I don't know what else to add here. On the next live stream, I'll probably have to add all these other stuff here. I'm not sure what else can I add. Let me get some idea. I want to steal some ideas from Newgrounds. Sorry, Tom. I'm sorry, Tom Fall, but your site is just the goat. I know. I think for the rest of his site, he has like a bunch of. He has a news layout, P-Bot's daily picks. Oh yeah. You know what? I should include probably like a list of sites that people can go to see. I can also promote in my site maybe a bunch of links to other sites as well. That can be a good idea to put here. Where can I put it? And how do I make it interesting? Because I don't want to just insert a link to my site somewhere. I want there to be some sort of look to it. Oh well. I think for now, I'll try to make a quick art section probably, just to give you guys something to work with. Make a new file, call this arts.html. Okay, and this one we'll just create a new file here. Document. This is called vanilla log. The vanilla log. Okay. Get rid of this. Okay. All right, now, shit. Now I have to work again with another blank space to my name. But I guess we can start off by linking this to the style sheet right here. So that way we can probably just recycle some of the styles here. How do I do it again? Okay, Control C. Control V. Okay. So now when I go down to here, open with live server. There, okay. It uses the same background because it's not linked to my style sheet. So now I need to make a header. Call this arts. Actually, wait, I can just copy some of these links here. I'll copy this, and all of this. Control C, Control V, Control S. Alright, cool. Got all this planned out. Okay, speaking of which, I think I need to edit something else on this other site here. I'm gonna get rid of the frame. The frame. Where's the frame? Change it a little bit. 1050. $1,075. And the bottom space, give it like 200. I think I need this much space here. Alright, here we go. Then I'm just gonna insert some images here. Okay. Now we need another div. Call this art stuff. Each one art stuff. And just give us a mark. Okay, art page. We'll see. And Control V, hashtag art page. Control V. This one. Control C. Control V. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna go ahead and create some images. Okay. Let me just go ahead and copy and paste these. Copy link. Control V. I don't know how this looks. I'm gonna have to put this under a table. under table row, and the table will have this here. Okay. Let's try to make four of this in one row. Okay. I need to learn some JavaScript to get some of these videos to work, images to work. Okay. Yeah, this is not gonna work out if it's this big. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a class to this equals what can I name this? Art underscore column spacing. Then I initiate the height and width. Then I'll make another class here called art underscore column underscore images, and have that be height 100% and width 100%. Copy this. Control S. Oh, this one. Control C. Control V. I don't like how it squashes it a bit. Is it the... Yeah, it's supposed to be like a rectangular image. So I might need to... adjust it. How can I make this work? How did I do it again with this image here? Art images. What? Art spacing black, width 200 pixels. Oh, that's much better. Okay. You just maybe do this instead. Maybe on 250. Yeah, it's good. Alright, and then we just do the same thing again and again for all of this. And we're good to go. Control C, Control V. Copy link. What do we put here? This here. Control V. Oh, it's this lacks the. There we go. Nice. All right. Okay, I'm gonna add one more thing here. I'm gonna go for this tails. Copy link. we go. Now we can just get rid of this table row, make another one. Oh, the frick. Okay. Huh? What? Oh, it lacks the fuck. Have the. I'll just copy this. Here we go. Oh, this is here. Control C, Control V. Copy image. Copy link. Control V. Copy image. I'll copy link. Oh, no. Need to make a different. C, Control V. Okay, do this. All right, cool. C, Control V. Copy image. I don't know, copy link. Control V. There we go. And let's do one more white table row. Okay, let me just insert some more images onto my Discord. Wait. What can I include on this website of mine? Oh, a GIF. Okay, I can do this. Oh fuck, I can't upload this. Oh well. How about... I have this thing here. We can include this as well. This one. And also... include this birthday cake? Oh, I can. Okay. Alright. And copy link. Control C, Control V, get rid of all this stuff, copy link, and Control V. Oh wait, this is... I should have made another table real quick. Control C, Control V, Control S. Okay. Let's get rid of this table row down here. Okay. Good. I do a lot of character stills if you guys are not seeing a pattern in my art. Alright, can I include this GIF right here? Wait. C, Control V. Alright, I'm gonna include the cake. Nice, it works. Finally, this last one here. Try to make more GIFs. I don't know why I don't make GIFs. It's much easier to link these together with GIFs than MP4 files. TH class art column spacing. Let's see. Control V. Copy link. Control V. Oh. Control V. There we go. Now that's my link to art stuff. Okay. All right, now I just need. This is gonna be it. This is gonna be it for now. Here comes my art section. Now I'm gonna go back to the vanilla log. We're gonna edit this button here. Under here, yeah. This button should have a link. To it. This should be /art.html, and the button is this one. C, Control V. Okay. Kind of hard to see where one code's line begins and which one's ends. Okay, so now if I do this, yeah, there we go. And I go here. Yeah, all right. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this this line of code here. Control C. And then also change the code down here. Where is it? This code. Get rid of this. Control V. Control S. So now this all takes me now to, yeah. Okay, nice. All right, I'm gonna end the stream here, guys. But before we do, let me show you guys what the final result of the stream is. So if I let that, I'm gonna get rid of this, and open this. There we go. All right. So guys, welcome to my website. I'll probably publish a link to this, a news. I'll probably publish this to news cities if you guys are interested. But as of now, this is my site. So we got featured animation stuff about me. Hi, my name is Morgan Ozpin, a wizard mixed with art, animations, VTubers, music, and recently coding on the internet. I sometimes live stream the making of my creations on YouTube. All content posted on this site was created by me at some point outside the web. I bike long hours, attend dental college, run short distances to see what other people are doing. Lamau. Going down here, we got a featured music section that plays some music. I don't know if we can play some music right now. I think it's playing music, right? I don't have my earphones with me. But yeah, here's some music you guys can listen to. And then there's also some last batch stuff, some other music here. I'll probably work on the music section in another video. Also did a recent blog post, a featured art section for you guys who are interested in knowing what I'm making right now. And some social media sites, going to Twitter, to my Newgrounds page, and Facebook. Not Facebook, YouTube. I guess I should also include my Facebook since I do have a Facebook page, but I don't really post a lot of stuff there, sadly. So I'm gonna leave it at these three sites for now. And of course, we now have an art section, a quick little art section dedicated to all the stuff I made in the past. I should probably make some more PNGs and GIFs from now on, considering that I mostly turn my art into MP4 files or .mkv files that are just only compatible for YouTube stuff and shit. But other than that, I guess we're pretty much done with this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like what you see, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm gonna be publishing this on the internet in New York City at some point. So I'll notify you guys when this website is finally in Neocities on my community page. I think I just need to change a few music, then I can just publish this to Neocities. Then we can probably work on the music, blog, and social stuff in another video. So that's it, guys. Now go read a book. Bye-bye. Hold on. Bye.